Hi everyone, today I'm going to make these soft, rich, and super easy chocolate cupcakes. These are perfect for any occasion and they come together so quickly. Let's start with the ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And for the dry ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cups of cocoa powder, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine both the wet and dry ingredients and mix until smooth. Next, line in your cupcake tray with liners. Fill each cup about 2/3 full. Bake in a preheated oven at 360 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your cupcakes are cooled, I topped mine with a simple and delicious white chocolate ganache, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. See you in the next video.